At hello mga ka-325, it's me again, 325 years back, Dorado Official. Kumusta po ang lahat dyan mga ka-325? It's May 20, 2024, pauwi na tayo dyan mga ka-325. So sa mga gustong sumuporta sa akin dyan, ayan mga ka-325, may banner na ako, gumawa na ako. Dyan sa YouTube is 325 years vlog, Dorado Official. Sa Facebook naman is 325 years vlog lang. So ina-upload ko same din yan mga ka-325. Lalagyan ko lang ng konting banner para hindi siya makapiright mga ka-325 at reuse. At mga ka-325, ganun ba rin tuloy-tuloy pa rin tayo sa pag-upload at pagtatrabaho para sa ating kinabukasan ng bayan. Sabi nga is puno natin ay sipag lang mga ka-325. Basta masipag ka, may pupuntahan ka sa buhay mga ka-325. At the same time is siyempre nag-iipon tayo mga ka-325. Sabi ko nga is paminsan-minsan lumalabas naman tayo once in a blue moon mga ka-325, lalo na kung biglaan yan at free time tayo mga ka-325. Basta hindi sa ating schedule, hindi masagit sa ulo at alam natin kinabukasan day off natin mga ka-325. Yun lang, maraming salamat sa inyong laging panunood sa akin mga ka-325. Basta sabi ko nga, ako is tuloy-tuloy yung pag-upload ko. Hindi ako mapapagod, kahit nakakapagod na, hindi ako magsasawa. Sabi nga sa inyo mga ka-325, hanggat wala tayong napapala dito, hindi tayo titigil mga ka-325. Upload lang ng upload, basta wala tayong tinatapakan na tao. Yun lang mga ka-325. Sana kung asan mong kayong lugar ngayon, nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Ayan, sabi nga, lahat ng pangarap natin hindi natin makukuha sa mabilisan yan. Kunin natin sa mabagalan, dahil lahat ng pangarap natin hindi nakukuha sa isang minuto, sa isang oras, sa isang araw, sa isang buwan, sa isang taon. Dapat 3 to 5 years from now, meron tayong napapala sa ating lahat ng mga ginagawa mga ka-3 to 5, lalo na sa ating mga pangarap. Sige mga ka-3 to 5, ingat po ang lahat. Enjoy watching. Bye-bye.
Yeah, I spit raps like a heart attack. Fast, fatal, hard impact. Past painful scars. In fact, I blast tasteful bars and packs. I back up my actions. Back, don't ask. Grab reactions. Jacked attack with every word. Then act with clash as they hear me snap. I got nothing to lose, cause I fought and felt the bruise. Now I'm not the one confused. Call the shots and they produce. I ain't lost, I'm finding loose. Pick a new silver excuse. I need the views to boost me to a new abuse of being used. Everybody wants a piece now. Y'all can rest in peace now. You're dead to me, so peace out. Remember, you're just freaked out. Get ready for defeat now. I'm gonna make you bleed out. Listen on repeat now and read out all the weak now. Get up and make a change, don't remember yesterday. If you got something to say, speak your mind before your grave. Cause your life is yours to save, ain't nobody gonna change. Everybody stays the same, so be different, make a name, huh?
I keep on moving forward, always getting closer, marching till it's over. And just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward, always getting closer, I'm marching till it's over. And just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward, always getting closer, marching till it's over. And just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward, always getting closer, marching till it's over.
It's ridiculous, I'm spitting this meticulous and limitless. While others out there spitting shit got hits up on the charts and shit. I see why other artists quit, cause people don't reward good shit. They love to hate but hate to live. Society is swing and miss. And honestly I get it, promise me you won't regret it. Wasting energy, forget it, don't look back, go on and get it. Bite the bullet just a bit, bite your tongue and don't say shit. Make your actions hard to miss, be a legend not a myth. Yeah. It's obnoxious that I'm conscious, rapping honest as promise. Try to harness, as an artist stay modest. It's a long quest, I will not quit till 10,000 people going off. When I drop this I gotta make it now. Swear to God I'm breaking out, swear to God I'll take a bow. Stand the stage with the crowd, cause I got it figured out. I'm just honest and I'm loud, saying modest but I'm proud. No, I never had a doubt,
Like
yeah.
a soldier, I keep on moving forward, always getting closer, marching till it's over. And just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward, always getting closer, I'm marching till it's over. Just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward, always getting closer, I'm marching till it's over. Just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward, always getting closer, marching till it's over. And just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward, always getting closer, I'm marching till it's over. And just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward, always getting closer, I'm marching till it's over.
Yeah, she's got some nice long hair, and you know that she's a bad chick. All the boys stare, can't help it, it's a habit. Knows that she wears short skirt and a jacket. I just wanna get her all alone on a mattress. I just wanna have it, I just gotta have it. Rumors all around say her body is fantastic. All natural, not a piece of Burberry's plastic. Head to her toes, yeah, they say that she's a latch. Yeah, the whispers all around say she has a reputation. Don't believe it till I see it, so I want a demonstration. And I've always learned it better with a hands-on education. So I need a private session if you get what I am saying. And they say that she's not easy, no, she's really complicated. But that only makes it better, and it's got me so fixated. And I'm not the type to wait around, I've never hesitated. But she's got me captivated, so the game I'm gonna play it, yeah. She got a body like we both did. Like to keep the party going. Got me feeling lonely. I want that body that we show me. She got a body like we both did. She likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely. I want that body that you show me. you like to stay out late. I heard you had a couple boyfriends. I heard they didn't treat you right. I heard you're hated by your girlfriends, 'cause all the guys want you tonight. Yeah.
They say she's too hot, they say she's too cold. Where she came from, nobody really knows. They say she looks young, but say she acts old. From everything I've heard, she gets out of control. And all the boys say she was sent from the heavens, but I'm not too sure that this girl is a blessing. She's got the devil's eyes and they'll cut you like a weapon. She's stuck in my mind like a bad obsession. Got bad intentions. She got a body like a coffin.
Got me feeling lonely. I want that body, baby, show me.
She's got a body like a coffin. She likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely. I want that body, baby, show me.
Nadaanan natin. Saan ka bumibili ng bubong? Ay, barbecue. Talagyan natin.
Yeah, she's got some nice long hair, and you know that she's a bad chick. All the boys stare, can't help it, it's a habit. Clothes that she wears, short skirt and a jacket. I just wanna get her all alone on a mattress. I just wanna have it, I just gotta have it. Rumors all around say her body is fantastic. All natural, not a piece of her is plastic. Head to her toes, yeah, they say that she's a latch. Yeah, the whispers all around say she has a reputation. Don't believe it till I see it, so I want a demonstration. And I've always learned it better with a hands-on education. So I need a private session if you get what I am saying. And they say that she's not easy, no, she's really complicated. But that only makes it better, and it's got me so fixated. And I'm not the type to wait around, I'm never hesitating. But she's got me captivated, so the game I'm gonna play it, yeah. Got a body like a coffin. Got me feeling lonely. I want that body, baby, show me.
She's got a body like a coffin. She likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely. I want that body, baby, show me.
I heard you look good when you're undressed. I heard you like to get away. I heard you like to stay out late. I heard you had a couple boyfriends. I heard they didn't treat you right. I heard you're hated by your girlfriends, 'cause all the guys want you tonight.
Yeah, they say she's too hot, they say she's too cold. Where she came from, nobody really knows. They say she looks young, but say she acts old. From everything I've heard, she gets out of control. And all the boys say she was sent from the heavens, but I'm not too sure that this girl is a blessing. She's got the devil's eyes and they'll cut you like a weapon. She's stuck in my mind like a bad obsession. Got bad intentions.
Got a body like a coffin. Like to keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely.
baby, show me.